breakfast yogurt na may banana, pumpkin ba? Ayan, pumpkin seed. Mix ko lang. Yung yogurt na to guys, yung nasa sachet. Ayan, kulay pink, strawberry flavor. Ayan, natin. Banana, pumpkin.